Hi Y3, welcome back. So this will be our last online learning of maths before we go back to school, which will be tomorrow, which will be the 9th of December. So let's start off with a bit of fluency today. So we've got 300 divided by 10. So remember, when we divide it by 10, it gets 10 times smaller. So 300 divided by 10 is going to be 30. If you'd like to have a quick pause and have a go at the rest of these, you can do, okay? So 500 divided by 10 is going to be 50. 670 divided by 10, 67. 810 divided by 10 is 81. And 920 divided by 10 is going to be 92. Okay, so we are carrying on with our learning to divide by grouping. So start by representing your numbers as tens. Well done if you said that. And ones. Brilliant. How many blank of your divisor can you make? So remember, it's all about making what type of things? Well done if you said equal groups. Remember to write your answer in the correct columns. Now, this is very important, okay? And we'll show this a bit more later with our learning now. So here we have 63 divided by 3. So let's have a look. How many tens will I need? Well done if you said 6 tens. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And how many ones will we need? 3. Okay, so in each group, there are going to be 3. Okay, so because we're dividing by this number by our 3, our divisor. So we've got one group of 3 here. And we have another group of 3 there. Okay, there are no more tens, so we know we have 2 groups of our tens. Now we go into our ones column. So again, let's have a look. How many groups of 3 can we have? We can't make any more because there's no more. So 63 divided by 3 will equal 21. That was a terrible one. Let me do that again. 21. There we go. So let's have a look at this, okay? So here we have our short division or our bus stop method, okay? So first of all, let's see how many tens we've got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've got 1, 2, 3 ones. So we're doing 63 divided by 3, okay? So first of all, we start off with our tens column. And we're doing 6 divided by 3. Now, you can do this 2 ways. You can do this by your grouping or by your times tables. However, I'm going to do it by my times tables because I know that 3 can go into 6 twice because 3, 6 can go in twice. And I can double check that by doing my groups. So 1, 2, 3. And I have another group of 3, which equals 2. So I've got no more tens, so I go into my ones column. Then I've got to do 3 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1. And again, I can double check this. And that would equal 1 as well. So 63 divided by 3 equals 21. Okay, so here I've got no visual representation, so I'm going to do this mentally. I'm going to use my times tables to help me. So again, always start off with your tens column. So I've got 48 divided by 2. So start with my tens, 4 divided by 2. How many 2s do I need to make 4? 2, 4 equals 2. I then move on to my ones column. So I do 8 divided by 2. So how many 2s do I need to make 8? Let's do our times tables. 2, 4, 6, 8. How many have I got? 4. So 48 divided by 2 equals 24. If you want to have a quick pause and have a go at this one, do so. Okay, so again, always start off with your tens column with your biggest number, your biggest value. So I'm going to do 9 divided by 3. So again, see how many 3's go into 9. 3, 6, 9 equals 3. Okay. Again, move into my next column. 3 divided by 3 will equal 1. So I know 93 divided by 3 will equal 31. Well done if you managed to get that at home. Okay, so here this one, it starts to get a little bit more trickier. Okay, so here we have our tens column. Let's see how many tens we've got. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we've got 70. And how many ones? I've got 2. I'm dividing by 3. So my question is 72 divided by 3. Now, what you're going to do, start with your tens column, and you're going to see how many 3's go into 7. So do our 3 times table. 3, 6. Can't go to 9 because you only got 7. So we've got 3, 6. Okay. So I know I can do it equally into equal groups by 2 times. However, I've got 1 left over, and I can double check this by this. So we've got 1, 2. Okay, again, because I had 6 and I've got 7 here, I need to carry this 10 over into the next column. So remember, carrying over to the next column. So this 2 turns into a 12, and I'm going to exchange that 10, that 1 10 into 10 ones. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So altogether, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what you're going to do is 12 divided by 3. You're going to see how many 3's go into 12. So let's do our 3 times table. We've got 3, 6, 9, 12. We've got 4. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And I can double check that by doing my equal groups. So again, 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups, 4 groups. There we go. So 72 divided by 3 equals 24. Okay. If you would like to have a go by yourself, have a quick pause and have a go at home. Okay, so let's do this first of all. So again, start off with the tens. So we're going to do 5 divided by 2. How many times can it go in equally? So we've got 2, 4. I can't go up to 6 because I've only got 5. So 2, 4. It can only do it 2 times. But because I've got that 4, how much have I got left over? So from that 4, so from that 5, sorry, I've done 4, and how much have I got left over? Well done if you said 1. So now we're doing 14 divided by 2. So I'm going to see how many 2's go into 14. So let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. How many? What's 14 divided by 2? Well done if you said 7. Okay. Again, if you'd like to have a pause and have a go at this one, do so. Okay, welcome back. So we are starting off with our tens column. So we're doing 5 divided by 3. So how many times can 3 go into 5 equally? So doing our 3 times table. 3. I can't go to 6 because I only have 5. So I've got 3. Okay, so it can only go in once. Okay, From that 5, you've had a group of 3. So how much do you have left over? Well done if you said 2. And we're going to carry this 2 over to the ones column. So then it becomes 21 divided by 3. This is why it's really important that you know your times tables, because if you had 21 ones, that's going to be a lot on your sheet and it's going to be masses, isn't it? So this is why we need to learn our times tables. So let's do 21 divided by 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So let's count. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So well done if you managed to say it was a 7. So 51 divided by 3 equals 17. Okay, let's have a look at this one. So let's have a look how many 10s. We've got 4 10s and 3 1s. So we've got 43 divided by 3. So again, let's see how many, let's do 4 divided by 3. How many times can you make an equal group of 3? You could do it once. However, you have one remainder, and that remainder is going to go into your ones column. So then we need to exchange that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, 13 divided by 3. Let's see how many 3s it can go into 13. So we've got 3, 6, 9, 12. Can't go any higher than that because we've only got 13. So how many times can it go in equally? Well done if you said 4. However, we've got 12 and we have 13 here, but we can't make another equal group of it. So we've got 14, remainder 1. So 43 divided by 3 equals 14, remainder 1. Okay, tricky stuff. Okay, so again, have a go at home if you want to. Quick pause of this and see how you get on. Okay, so let's do this. So again, we're going to do 5 divided by 3. How many times can you do 3 go into 5 equally? So 3, you can't go any more than that. So you can only go in once. Because you've got that 5 and you made one equal group, how much have you got left over? Well done if you said 2. So then we do 24 divided by 3. So let's do our 3 times table again. I've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. How many times can it go in equally? It can go in 8 times, okay? No remainders there. So here, start with our 10s, 6 divided by 4. How many times can it go in equally? So 4. Can't go any further than that because it's going to be 8 and we only have 6. So it can only go in once. However, from that 6, we made a group of 4. So how much do we have left over? We have 2. So now we're doing 21 divided by 4. Again, let's do our 4 times tables. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I can't go any higher than that because I only got 21. So we can go in 5 times. However, because you had 20 and you have 21, how much do you have left over? Well done if you said a remainder of 1. So 61 divided by 4 equals 15, remainder 1. So there is a remainder there. Okay, so what I would like you to have a go at is the circle, the semicircle, and the triangle, okay? Remember, use the method if you need to. If you need to have a bit of a recap, have a wind back of this video. have a go at any sheets that you do have at home. And I would love for you to send any work to me. Before you do that, we have a quick Skillsharp, and this is just going over our takeaways, okay? So I'll do a quick recap. So we've got 609, take away 300, oh, there we go, and 43. Not great at writing there. So remember, it's only division that we start with the tens or the highest value. With anything else, with the add, subtraction, and multiplication, we always start with the ones. So we're going to do 9, take away 3, which we can do, which equals 6. Then we're going to move it to our tens column. So we've got 0, take away 4, 0, take away 4. It can't be done. So I'm going to have to exchange. I'm going to have to take a 10 from this hundreds column. So this turns into a 5, and we carry it over. So now we have 10 take away 4. 10 take away 4 equals 6. And then we carry on with our hundreds. 5 take away 3 equals 2. So the answer is 266. So clean that off. Again, it's up to you which column you start off with. Give yourself a bit of a challenge. It's your last one today before you come back into school. So have a quick pause. I'll show you the answers in a couple of seconds. Okay, welcome back. So well done if you managed to get these right. There you go. Okay, so remember to send any work to me at this email address, which is y3australiabyronwood.org. Have a go at this, okay? Use these methods if you need to. If you have to, use your tens and ones if you need to, okay? Would love you to send any work to me. So remember to send it to me. And that's our last lesson of our maths. So hopefully I will see you tomorrow back at school. But for me, that's it. See you later.